YouTube? It's your girl Tayza with tayza.metv, and I'm back with another video. Hey, 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 hey.
Fuck all them niggas, we gon' fuck up this cash. I hopped out my feelings and I hopped in my bag. Hopped in the farm, bitch, you hopped in the cab. Still living with your mama, you ain't hopped off your ass. Hey, hey, I'm a real bitch, I can't fake shit. You a fucking pussy.
So in today's video, we are going to be doing a unboxing video, as you can see from the title below. I'm gonna be unboxing. I'm so proud of myself because I'm gonna say shout out to my sister because she did help me. She did give me a little bit of money from her little income tax, you know what I'm saying? But besides that, I'm proud of myself because I got everything on my own. So give me a round of applause. I'm about to do an unboxing video, and basically I'm about to just show y'all what I ordered off Amazon, what I got from Walmart.com. Yeah, it's basically stuff because as y'all know, I missed college. I took this semester off because the weather was bad. I knew the weather was going to be bad. I got sickle cell disease, and I just basically didn't want to be sick. So I took the semester off, and I'm going to go back in the summer semester, and I'm switching my major to photography and computer technology. You know what I'm saying? This is basically something to further my photography career or my videography, however you want to say it, career. Because that's where I want to start my career at. And yeah, so I just bought some stuff to basically start me off, and you know what I'm saying, just to get my little groove on real quick. So I'm just gonna be unboxing that stuff and just showing y'all basically what I bought. And I only ordered off Amazon, and I ordered from Walmart.com. So I'm gonna show y'all everything that I'm gonna show y'all what I ordered and where I ordered it from. You know. So let me get the stuff. Did you see it? Y'all, I got this mountain full of stuff. Hold on, let me show y'all real quick. You know what I'm saying? So my camera's on a tripod, so it might look weird, but this is all the stuff that I ordered. I got this mountain full of stuff. You know what I'm saying? Alright, I'm going to show y'all what I got. I'm going to do this long box last because it's, let me see. I'm going to actually do this. I'm going to do this first because it don't feel like it's that heavy. And actually Amazon, I got this, I'm thinking this came from Amazon. I'm pretty sure it came from Amazon. But they was late. If this is what I think it is, they was actually late, a day late on this package. But they told me they delivered it the day before. So Amazon, get your shit together. Oh, I need a knife or something. Don't mind my cutting skills, y'all. I don't know why they put this little box inside this big old box for no reason. Look at that. So let's open this box right here. Ah! That's hard. Alright, this is what I thought it was. This is the sticks to my backdrop. And this is one of the little clips to hold the backdrop little drop cover up. Okay, I'm tweaking to set this up, y'all. I'm tweaking. Oh, period. I see. And this is the little thing that's tightening it. You know what I'm saying? This is the little thing if I want to make it taller. Oh yeah, I'm about to have some fun with this, y'all. I ain't gonna take everything out of this box, but I ain't setting it up right now. I'm gonna set it up off camera. But I just wanted to show y'all that part. I knew that's what it was, because what else is gonna be a little skinny box? They could have put this little box though inside of a smaller box that fit. Next I'm gonna open this one. I kind of had a feeling this one. I wanted to show. I'm gonna show y'all this one last. That's actually one of the backdrop little covers that I got from my backdrop stand. Alright, let's see what this one is. They always put, see what I mean? They put a box inside a box. Like, y'all know them little ladies that just get smaller and smaller and smaller every time you take the top off the lady. What's them called? I don't know what they called, but if one of my subscribers know what them little ladies is called, let me know. But they like little ladies, and you take the top half of the body off, and then it's another little lady. You take the top half of the body off, it's another little lady. That's how Amazon do their packages. Keyboard, y'all. Okay, so this is the white backdrop. It came with it actually came with 3 more little clips to hang the covers up. I'm just gonna pull it out a little bit and show y'all. It's the white backdrop. Sorry y'all, like I was saying, this is the last box. I still got a little bag package or whatever from Amazon, but this is the last box I got from Amazon. Alright y'all, this is just a plain black backdrop that I ordered. I'm not going, like I said, I'm not going to take it all the way out the bag because I'm gonna set it up off camera, so don't even worry about all that. I just wonder why they keep putting these little packages in these big boxes. Like, I could have fit all 3 of them backdrops in one box. Literally. Okay, let me open this one. This is the last backdrop that I ordered. And I actually ordered this one special request because I'm doing somebody's baby shower. And I actually do want to show y'all this one. I'm taking photos at somebody's baby shower. So I had ordered a backdrop for the occasion. I really don't want to unfold it. I should just wait and let y'all see it. That's what I'm going to do. I ain't going to unfold it. I'm going to say something surprise y'all real quick. And let y'all see my new product and use. I ain't even gonna unfold this mother. See, I started to for the fans, and not for the fans, but for my supporters. But y'all good. Y'all see it. Y'all see everything else, so don't think y'all won't see this. Y'all see it. Y'all see it. Let me say something for the y'all know. Surprise. Y'all seen the black one. Y'all seen the white one. This one I don't even want to open up for real because this is for a special occasion for my friends, so it's a baby shower, I ain't gonna lie, but y'all wait till y'all see, you know what I'm saying, when I hook it up, and when I actually start taking pictures. Alright y'all, this one I'm gonna put on the chair and open up, because this is a little bigger of a box. It's a little bit heavier too. Alright y'all, this one I'm really proud of myself that I really got. I don't know if y'all can see my face. My phone just keep on ringing. But I ain't answering. Like I said, I don't answer the phone while I'm recording. Alright, let me show you the little items first. Y'all can kind of guess what it is then, huh? One's colored, one's black. But I am proud of myself because I went on. Sorry y'all, I'm trying to take it out the box. This right here is my biggest accomplishment. It's a Your Simple Printing Solution. It says mobile device printing, wireless print, copy, scan. So I can do all this on this printer. And it's actually a Canon, so it goes with my camera. So I got a Canon T6, now I got a Canon TS3122 Pixma. So that's my biggest accomplishment. I'm trying to be, you know, at the bars and clubs and stuff, taking pictures for people, you know what I'm saying, selling my pictures, and I'm going to be, you know, doing baby showers, doing little events, wherever motherfuckers need me at. And I'm going to school for this, so I'm actually trying to further my career. This is actually where I want to be in life, like taking pictures, doing computers, this stuff, it excites me. It excites me, and I don't think people really understand that, but I've been like computer savvy since a young age, and I'm always going to be computer savvy, and I just love this stuff. This is my calling. Like, you know what I'm saying? My grandma used to always tell me, you missed your calling, girl. But, you know what I'm saying? I'm just following my dreams, and I'm gambling on myself. Because if I don't gamble on myself, nobody else will. So I'm just going to continue to follow my dreams and be happy and live happy. And with that, saying that concludes this video. I showed y'all my backdrop. I showed y'all my backdrop. I showed y'all my backdrop covers. I didn't really want to show that. I wanted to show y'all the baby shower one, but that's actually an event I got coming up planned already before I even took the stuff out the box. So, you know what I'm saying? Stay tuned for that. I showed y'all my printer. I showed y'all my ink. All I gotta get is my photo frames. I'm getting paper photo frames for events that I'm doing. I'm gonna step it up and do a little something fancier, but right now I'm just doing that. And I gotta get my paper. Paper for my printer. I actually gotta get picture paper and regular paper just in case I need my printer for something else. So that's pretty much it. I showed y'all everything. That concludes this video, and I just want to thank everybody for watching. I want to say that if y'all support me, I'm saying I love everybody out there, and I'm just thankful that y'all support me. You know what I'm saying? Keep supporting me because I'm going to keep doing what I do, baby. God been working on me, and he been working on me, and I just know my come up is coming real soon. And I feel like all the people that's out there that left me when I was down, keep that same energy when I come up, baby. Because I don't need nobody except the people that God put me in my life. And that's all. So other than that, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to smash that like button. Spam in the comments and tell me how much y'all like my stuff. You know what I'm saying? Show me love in my comments and my stuff. And I appreciate every one of y'all for viewing this video. And at the end of the day, you know what I'm saying, it's just me, tayza.metv. And I'm out. Peace.